Next question is xy and x dash y dash are two parallel tangents to a circle with center O. Draw a circle. Draw a circle with center O. O is a center of a circle. xy and x dash y dash are two parallel tangents. xy one tangent, and to the another tangent which is parallel to xy is x dash and y dash. Next again another tangent AB with point of contact C. Another tangent is AB with point of contact C of xy at A and x dash y dash at B. Angle AOB. Already we know that tangents drawn from external point of a circle, it is perpendicular to the radius. It is 90 degrees. This side also will be 90 degrees. Let this point P, this point is Q. Now join OC also. OP equal to OC equal to OQ, radius of a circle. Join O to A and join O to B. We have to find the angle AOB. These two angles we have to measure it. Angle AOB. Given xy and x dash y dash are two parallel tangents. Two parallel tangents with center O. Again, tangent AB with point of contact C intersecting xy at A and x dash y dash at B. Join OA, O to A and O to B. Join OA and OB. We know that OP is perpendicular to xy, OQ is perpendicular to x dash y dash. It is point of contact of tangent. It will also become 90 degrees. And OC is perpendicular to AB. It will be 90 degrees. It will be 90 degrees. Clearly, we can see here it 90 degrees. It is 90 degrees and 90 degrees. AP equal to AC. Tangents drawn from external point of a circle are equal. Therefore, AP equal to AC, AP equal to AC, comma BC equal to BQ. BC equal to BQ. when we look into a triangle POA and triangle COA, consider triangle POA and triangle COA. POA and triangle COA, they are congruent. That implies triangle POA is congruent to triangle COA. Why they are congruent? OPA 90 degrees, OCA is 90 degrees. Opposite angles are 90 degrees. Remaining opposite angles are POC and CAP. These two angles. Sum of opposite angles are equal. It is the OC is radius, OP is also radius. In a parallelogram, in a rhombus, adjacent sides are equal, so that equal to it is a square. In a square, PACO is a square, OA is a diagonal. So square divides it into two congruent triangles. That is why this is congruent. When it is congruent, angle POA equal to angle POA equal to angle COA. That equal to, let x degrees. It is x degrees. It is also x degrees. Similarly, these two triangles are also congruent. Let it is y degrees and y degrees. X degrees plus x degrees, y degrees plus y degrees equal to 180 degrees. Y linear pair of angles. In a straight line, these all the angles are 180 degrees. X plus x, 2x plus 2y equal to 180 degrees. X plus y, 2 take as a common factor, equal to 180 degrees. X plus y equal to 180 degrees by 2. X plus y equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, x plus y, these two, angle AOB equal to 90 degrees. This is the required solution for this problem. Next question is, two concentric circles are radii 5 centimeters and 3 centimeters are drawn. Find the length of chord of larger circle which touches a smaller circle. Take two concentric circles with center O. It is one circle. Draw another circle with center O. These two are the concentric circles. The bigger circle radius is 5 centimeters. The bigger circle radius is 5 centimeters and smaller circle radius is 3 centimeters. O, let it is A, it is B. Next one is given that find the length of chord. Find the length of chord which of a larger circle. It is a larger circle. Draw a chord. Let this chord be xy. This point is B here. Let this point be P. Given two concentric circles. Circles of radii 5 centimeters and 3 centimeters. OA equal to OB equal to radius of bigger circle OA equal to OB equal to radius of bigger circle that equal to 5 centimeters. Next one is small. This point is A, B, C, D. OC equal to O to C. OC equal to OD is equal to OP. That equal to 3 centimeters because it is the radius of smaller circle. Consider OA equal to OB equal. So this triangle is isosceles triangle. When we draw a perpendicular, it is a tangent. It falls 90 degrees. When it falls 90 degrees, consider triangle OPA. In triangle OPA, it is 90 degrees. 90 degrees opposite is hypotenuse. That equal to OA square by applying Pythagoras theorem. OA square equal to OP square plus PA square. OP square plus PA square. OA, O to A, that is the radius of the bigger circle, that equal to 5 whole square equal to OP, O to P, that is radius 3 whole square plus PA square. 25 equal to 9 plus PA square. PA square equal to 25 minus 9. PA square equal to 16. PA equal to under root of 16. PA equal to 4. The length of PA we get. Remove the x and y. Remove the x and y. PA. If you see here, POA and POB are congruent triangles. Since triangle POA is congruent to triangle POB. Therefore, PB length also will become as 4. PA equal to PB, that is why PB equal to 4 centimeters. Find the length of the chord. Therefore, length of chord AB equal to 4 plus 4, that equal to 8 centimeters.